Hey guys, this is back in Oz Trains ETK, and we might have found a train up here. So, I don't know. It might be a different one. It might not. And so here we go. Be patient, and it might come already. So this boom gate here has ding-a-dong, so it actually does have a sound and does have boom gates, flashing lights, and yeah, it's good. But we don't know if it's beat us or we've missed it. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it comes. It's like right up there. It's a small bit of carriages. And it's coming. Here it comes. That was very quick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and watch for more videos. Bye.